Hi, I'm John McFadyen, one of the partners with Agile Centre. The Scrum Alliance released the new certification path to CSP, so they introduced the Advanced Certified ScrumMaster and then the Certified Scrum Professional as courses, which really supported what Agile Centre is about. It's about building the capability in the Agile world. So we're here leading Advanced Scrum Master course, which is really getting people who did the CSM maybe a year, maybe longer ago, and digging deeper. What we want is people bringing their experiences, and we mix it all together in the class and really sort of let people share what they've learned and learn from each other.
Most people understand how Agile is supposed to work, but there's always a compromise that's put on that. So what we've been learning over the last 2 days is how to work with those compromises and highlight why it's actually preventing Scrum being effective. There's going to be very few people who actually understand some of the more common problems that we have, and I think this course will give me the skills and the techniques to deal with some of those common problems.
The whole point of coming here from my point of view is to try and get better. I want to try and constantly improve myself and my skill set and my team and hopefully our company as well. So it's all planting seeds to grow into beautiful things. That's the plan.
It's a very fluid course. We have some structure. Broadly breaks down into 5 areas. We have Agile theory, which helps with credibility. We have an introduction to facilitation and coaching to build on the facilitation skills the Scrum Master needs, as well as introduce one-on-one and group level coaching, the skills, the thinking behind it. We go into the Scrum Master's service to the team is around team dynamics, how to form good teams, how to help them along their path. And then service to the product owner is about getting the best out of the product owner, helping them understanding the tools and techniques we use to really get good product backlogs and support the product owner in building an amazing product. The last section is beyond the team, where we start looking at the organisational change part of the Scrum Master. So we're looking at how to influence and change the organisation, but also the scaling aspect, which is what most people are interested in. How do we scale Scrum? Across the 2 days, we cover the 5 areas. I look at it more as a guided conversation than teaching. So it's not about what I know being passed on to people, it's about adding some things to the conversation to keep it in the flow of where the participants want to go. For me, it's really important because it's creating a good foundation for the next generation of Agile coaches.